Hey everybody, it's coffee roasting time with this Indian Parchement Kaapi Royal. It's a Robusta bean. I was trying to open it, but I had to take a pair of scissors, so it might not change a whole lot by what I found out. The color, and it'll take up to 4 days to fully get the flavor out. I'm recording this day after the voiceover the day after, and it's already smelling excellent to Mr. Burnsy. And it took me roughly 45 minutes to actually get everything roasted. Yeah, I'm just showcasing the progression. Like I said, it took me about 45 minutes. Yeah, I made a mess. I'm transferring into the sift, and I took it outside to just blow off all that a sheaf, or whatever you want to call it. And yeah,